And she was like, Sass, but she said my real name. She said, Sass, you want some of these peaches?
Shit's so
up. Win at a house party. When you get peaches, and I said,
like this.
Cinnamon and fresh peaches, queen. Wine colors are good for you, Joseph. I had a good laugh, but
Ooh,
honey, some of
bow.
these cereal got 2 boys.
Put them to the side and finish the rest.
Wait till I tell y'all Food Friday. Y'all don't let me forget. It's not a in my mind, I may be wrong, but in my opinion,
bow.
See, that's they obviously don't understand how purity works. What nut jobs? Their kids are so cute, but Lord, I need to go back and I'm just now starting on season 1.
Just ladle it over the top.
Now see, when they all together, I don't know what happens. Now see, one of the twins I told y'all worked for the garbage department, and those kids get so attached to, like you said, strangers, and they are so easy. Do y'all really think that the argument had to do about Xbox game? And there's no. Anyway, what y'all saying?